In this video, I will show you how to set up video button in your Facebook page to promote YouTube channel content and get more Facebook user traffic to your YouTube channel. So let's see how it's done. In your Facebook page, first, click this three-dotted more option. Next, from this menu, click this Add Action button. And continue the process by clicking the Try It button in the pop-up window. From the list of options, select Watch Video option and click Next to continue. In this pop-up window, you need to add your YouTube channel address. So copy the YouTube channel URL and next, paste it in the website link space. I am adding my YouTube channel ID. And finally, click the Save button to set up the Watch Video button under the Facebook page. Now, let's confirm the Watch Video button by viewing the page in the browser. And done, here is the Watch Video button set up under the Facebook page. And when Facebook users click on it, it takes them to the YouTube channel added. This way you can promote your YouTube channel content and get more video views and engagement. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.